Hey guys, this is my laptop. It's HP G62. Version is 112EE. So my power button isn't working at all, maybe because of the cable or another problem. So I'm gonna show you right now how to turn it on without the power button. First of all, you gotta disconnect the keyboard. If you don't know how to do this, please check other videos. I'm gonna say it fast. You gotta disconnect this one, these three. You got a keyboard symbol here. 1, 2, 3, and this one. Now let's disconnect it. I'm gonna do this. Okay. So you got 6 pins here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You gotta connect the first one with the third one. If you connect the first one with the last one, it will cause problems and it's wrong. Well, I don't really know about electricity and laptops, but it's working for me. So please do it on your own risk with the same model of the laptop, okay? With your own risk. It's working for me, and I'm doing this a lot. So I'm gonna do it right now. It's hard with one hand. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. There we go. It's working. Let's turn it off with the same button. Let's turn it on again. Here we go. It's working.